Hey everyone, Casio has announced the release of the A130WE Series, a four-watch lineup under the Vintage Collection, set to arrive in February 2025. The confirmed models include the A130WE1A, A130WE7A, A130WEG9A, and A130WEGG1A, despite earlier reports suggesting a March launch. The design of these watches draws inspiration from the LC analog digital displays of the 1980s, blending retro aesthetics with modern elements. Their metallic accent colors and finishes enhance their nostalgic yet contemporary appeal. The upper left section of the LCD display features an analog representation of the home time, while the upper right section provides functional graphics. This division maintains the signature look of vintage timepieces while incorporating practical digital features. Equipped with a multi-time function, the A130WE Series allows users to store and switch between 4 different cities. The World Time feature supports 48 cities across 31 time zones and includes a home city swap function, making it a practical companion for travelers. The watches feature a stainless steel band and a simple square-shaped case, making them versatile enough to complement various outfits. Available in silver, gold, and gunmetal, these models provide options to match different personal styles. The LCD accents differ between versions, with the A130WE-7AJF showcasing blue highlights and the A130WEGG-1AJF incorporating orange tones. Built with durability in mind, the A130WE Series has a resin glass cover protecting the display, while the case and bezel are crafted from resin. The stainless steel band is designed to fit wrist sizes ranging from 150 to 205 millimeters and features a free type clasp for a secure fit. Powering the watch is a battery with an estimated lifespan of 3 years. The watches offer a range of useful functions, including a 100-second stopwatch with a 24-hour counter and split mode, a timer adjustable in 1-second increments up to 24 hours, and 5 programmable alarms that can be set for one-time or daily alerts. Users can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour display formats, and the fully automatic calendar ensures accurate date tracking. The standard models are priced at approximately $57, while the premium variants, the A130WEG-9A and A130WEGG-1A, are available for around $71. Casio has confirmed that the watches will be available for purchase starting in February 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.